An economy prospers when its financial system is strong and sound. As major players in the financial system, banks act not only as custodians, but as chief mobilizers of the country's financial resources necessary for development. Banks provide financial services to corporations, organizations, businesses, communities, as well as individuals. This is probably why banking is considered the backbone of an economy. Generally, Filipinos are prudent in managing their financial resources. And being prudent means careful handling of finances, such as saving in banks. All banks in the Philippines ensure the safety of their depositors' money through the deposit insurance provided by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation, or PDIC. What then is PDIC and how did it come to be? In 1963, Republic Act 3591 established the PDIC as a government instrumentality mandated to ensure deposits in all banks operating in the Philippines. The Philippines is a pioneer in deposit insurance. It was the 5th country in the world and 2nd in Asia to set up a deposit insurance system. The corporation exists to protect and safeguard the interests of the depositing public through deposit insurance coverage. And because all banks licensed to operate by the central bank are members of the PDIC, the guaranteed safety in deposits increases public trust in banks, which contributes to keeping the financial system stable. For more than 5 decades, PDIC has achieved significant accomplishments. In 1992, PDIC took on the consequential role of statutory receiver and liquidator of closed banks through a key legislative amendment, thereby strengthening the deposit insurance system. In 2002, PDIC became a founding member of the International Association of Deposit Insurers, or IADI, a standard-setting organization that aims to enhance the effectiveness of deposit insurance systems by promoting guidance and international cooperation. On its golden anniversary in 2013, the corporation received the Deposit Insurance Organization of the Year award from IADI for significant achievements in operations, systems, and compliance with global benchmarks. In 2016, the corporation's authorities for depositor protection were enhanced through legislative amendments, allowing depositors quicker access to their insured deposits. These amendments also hastened the liquidation of closed banks for the benefit of creditors and imposed stiffer sanctions and penalties against bank officials and employees who commit fraud, irregularities, and anomalies. Since 2014, PDIC has also been consistently recognized as a champion of governance. How can you be sure your bank is a member of the PDIC? Look for the seal of protection. Find it at the doorway, inside the premises, and flashed on ATM screens whenever you transact. What are PDIC's mandates? PDIC is the deposit insurer and liquidator of closed banks. As deposit insurer, PDIC settles deposit insurance claims of depositors in banks ordered closed by the Monetary Board. It also manages risks to the banking system through insurance risk evaluation, enforcement of regulatory issuances, and investigation of bank anomalies, fraud, and irregularities. As liquidator of closed banks, PDIC takes over a closed bank and administers its assets and liabilities. It also collects loan payments from borrowers and engages in asset disposal to gather liquidation proceeds that will be used to settle claims of uninsured depositors and creditors. As a financial safety net, PDIC is an active member of the Financial Sector Forum and the Financial Stability Coordination Council. The FSF and the FSCC are in place to promote public confidence and financial stability. The banking system drives the engine of economic growth by providing financial services to businesses and individuals. Because of this, public trust in banks is paramount. The deposit insurance provided by PDIC helps build depositor confidence in banks and contributes to the stability of the banking system. It also nurtures a financially literate and responsible citizenry that sustains development and promotes inclusive growth in the Philippines. As a professional, committed, and responsive public service institution, the corporation exists to help ensure depositor protection and promote financial stability for the nation. PDIC, the seal of protection, your seal of assurance. Dahil sa PDIC, bank deposit mo, protektado.